TikTok faced tough questions from judges at a U.S. federal appeals court on Monday, as the popular short video app made its case to block a law that would ban it. Andrew Pincus, a lawyer for TikTok and Chinese parent company ByteDance, argued that the law violates free speech protections and said that the U.S. government had not demonstrated that TikTok, which is used by 170 million Americans, actually poses national security risks.
For the first time in history, Congress has expressly targeted a specific U.S. speaker, banning its speech and the speech of 170 million Americans.
A Justice Department lawyer pressed the U.S. government's stance that China could use the app to access data on Americans or spy on them. Attorney Daniel Tenney also argued China could covertly manipulate the information Americans see on TikTok.
They say one of the things they like about it, the content creator petitioners say, well, we think this is a sort of organic source, diverse and organic source of news. The problem is, China could decide one day it doesn't want it to be that anymore. And we would have no way of knowing that. Users wouldn't be able to tell.
The law in question received bipartisan support in Congress and was signed into law by President Joe Biden in April. It gives ByteDance until January 19th to sell or divest TikTok's U.S. assets or face a ban in the United States. Judges were skeptical of TikTok's legal arguments at Monday's 2-hour hearing. The company's filing in May said the law would have broader implications for free speech if upheld. It argued Congress could effectively circumvent the First Amendment by invoking national security. However, Judge Naomi Rao said the idea that Congress lacks the authority to pass the law relied on a, quote, very strange framework for thinking about Congress. Another judge asked why this was any different from another law that bans broadcast licenses for any foreign owners. TikTok and the Justice Department have asked for a ruling by early December. That could allow the U.S. Supreme Court to consider any appeal before a ban takes effect.